Hi everybody, I'm going to do a screencast of a screencast and just see if this works. So I'm using Screencast-O-Matic and I'm going to open Screencastify. It looks like this. You have a browser tab, desktop, webcam only. I'm going to click record, share. Wow, this is like Inception. I'm recording a recording inside a recording of a recording. This is nuts. All right, so when I hit stop, then it says 13 seconds. Your desktop is being recorded. I want to click stop, and then it'll bring up this window. Oh, well, it worked just fine. All right, so now let's see what happens when I hit stop on Screencast-O-Matic.